Welcome to today's math lesson, everybody. Today you're going to learn how to add even more numbers. Lately, we've been learning some pretty easy ones, like this. Misty, I don't know that one. Well, that's okay if you don't know how to do that one, because today I'm going to teach you a trick. Let's get our math books ready, everybody. I'm going to show you exactly the page we're going to work on together. I'm opening up my book to page 76. It looks like this, and at the very top it says Lesson Worksheet 76. You're going to see a line that goes right down the middle, some facts on this side, and some facts on that side. So your job is to get started, open up that book to Lesson Worksheet 76. And remember, keep all your papers inside of your book. You don't have to rip them out. It'll be so much easier for me to check them later if they're just right here in this book. Let's get started. All right, everybody, we are ready to get started. We are on lesson worksheet 76. I've got my pencil ready. I'm putting my name at the top here. We're going to be ripping these pages out eventually, and we're going to put the date on this too. Today is March 9th. So here comes our date. All right, I told you I would teach you a trick, and here it comes. But first, I'll show you what's happening with our book here. So I've got this little line that's going down the middle of my page. I've got some really easy doubles facts over here that I know so easy, no problem. And I've got the other kind of facts that are getting a little harder. There's that 8 plus 9 I showed you a minute ago. And I'm going to teach you how to solve that. But first, let's figure out these easy doubles facts together. Let's review those. Remember, review is what we do when we go over something we already learned to help our brain remember it. So I'm going to go down here and figure out all of these doubles facts. These are super easy enough. 4 plus 4 is 8. We've done these for a long time. 7 plus 7 is 14. 5 plus 5, that's 10. Yep, I know that one. 3 plus 3, 6. These are really easy, almost there. 6 plus 6, 12. 8 plus 8 is 16. And my last one, the easiest one probably in the whole wide world, 2 plus 2 is 4. Very good. So knowing these doubles facts are really going to help us figure out this new trick for what we're going to teach you today. So I'm going to go back up to the top to our very first doubles fact. Then I'm going to move to the side and teach you the first step of our trick. So I've got 4 plus 4 here. That's a doubles fact. The number 4 is there 2 times. Here it is again, 4 plus 4. I'm going to write the answer again. It's right here. It's 8. Now I'm moving on to what the trick is. So they want me to tell them what is 4 plus 5. Well, my trick is to think of the doubles fact that you do know. Don't really know what 4 plus 5 is, but I do know what 4 plus 4 is. And 4 plus 5 is just one more than 4 plus 4. So I'm going to look at my answer here. If I know that 4 plus 4 is 8, I need to think of the number that's one more than 8. 4 plus 5 is 9. This is called doubles plus 1. I've got a 4 here 2 times. That's my doubles fact. I've got a 4 again, but right here I've got a 5, and that's one more than 4. So this is my doubles fact. This is doubles plus 1. It's not 4 plus 4. It's 4 plus 5, which is one more than 4. So that's our first example. I'm going to move down to 7 plus 7 now, and I've got the answer there. So in case you forget it, you can write it there and look at your answer. 7 plus 7 is 14. Now what about 7 plus 8? Well, I know what 7 plus 7 is. I know the doubles fact. Now just go up one more, and that's 15. 7 plus 7 is 14. 7 plus 8 is 15. Just climb up one more. Let's keep going. Easy. I know what 5 plus 5 is, and I'm going to write it again right here. 5 plus 5 is 10. Now they're asking me what 5 plus 6 is. Well, let's use the trick. Use your doubles fact that you know. I know what 5 plus 5 is. It's 10. And if 6 is just one more, that means the answer's got to be just one more. 5 plus 6 equals 11. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 6 is 11. Let's keep on going down to 3 plus 3. If you don't remember what 3 plus 3 is, that's okay. The answer's right next to you. It is 6. Let's use our trick. If 3 plus 3 is 6, what's one more? 7, of course. 3 plus 3 is 6, and 3 plus 4 is 7. Doubles plus 1. Doubles plus 1 is the same as this. If I'm going to use this one for an example, doubles plus 1 is the same as 3 plus 3 plus 1. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. That is the secret behind our doubles plus 1 trick. Let's use it for our last couple examples. We're on 6 plus 6 now. I'm going to write it again over here. 6 plus 6 is 12. And using our trick today, let's figure out what 6 plus 7 could be. I know that 6 plus 6 is 12. That means I just need one more. 6 plus 6 plus one more. That would be 13. 6 plus 7 equals 13. I'm using my doubles plus 1 trick. Double it up, 6 plus 6, and just add one more to make 13. So 6 plus 7 is 13. Got a couple more examples. Here comes the one that you had seen earlier in this video. We're going to do 8 plus 8 and then figure out what 8 plus 9 is. But first, I know what the doubles is. And if you know what the doubles is, you can figure out what's going to happen next. If 8 plus 8 is 16, 8 plus 9 is 17. It's just 8 plus 1 more, because 9 is the same as 8 plus 1. So 8 plus 1 equals 17. It's 8 plus 8, which is 16, plus 1 more is 17. And you're always allowed to write numbers like this, and if that does help you. But if your brain is getting this already, you can just write the answer right there. You're doing great. We've got one more example together. We're going back to an easy one with smaller numbers. It's 2 plus 2, kids. You know that one. It's 4, of course. And I bet you can figure out what 2 plus 3 would be. You might not even need our doubles plus 1 trick because you're already so good at adding with 2's. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 3 would mean 5. You can also make these numbers switch places if that helps you. 3 plus 2 more is also 5. 2 plus 3 is also 5. There's 2 different ways to make that. And there you have it, everybody. Your first lesson on how to add with bigger numbers now, using the doubles plus 1 strategy.